Good morning and welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Starting off the day, overcast to mostly cloudy, and expecting that to remain the case as we go throughout the day, as we do have some active weather approaching the area that will kind of move into the area this afternoon and into the evening hours. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we can see that frontal system that is moving into our region with quite a bit of precip associated with that. And we do have some low clouds out there at the moment. Might see those break up a little bit before they start to build back in as this system gets a little bit closer. Taking a look at current conditions as of 8 this morning, we do have that broken deck at 500 feet, and then above that overcast at 18,000 feet. Winds are out of the south, fairly breezy at the moment, 14 knots. We'll see those start to pick up as we go throughout the day. Temperatures at 55 degrees and relative humidity is at 94%. Take a look at the current satellite radar. We do see all that cloud material that will stick around and build into the area today. We do have that rain that is approaching the area, and we can see some of those breezy to gusty wind conditions, which we will be dealing with as we go throughout the day today. So looking at the short-term model for today, this is the NAM 3 kilometer. Again, that frontal boundaries and precip starts to move into our area as we get into the late afternoon is when we'll see our best chances of some fairly consistent rain as we go into the evening hours. And we do have a chance of seeing a thunderstorm embedded with some of these more heavy to moderate to heavy rain showers. And as we get into the early morning hours of Friday, we'll see things start to clear up as that front will push through and the winds will shift, and we'll see things cool down a little bit. Do have a chance of some lingering showers in the area for the morning hours of Friday, even just a bit after sunrise, but could see a stray shower moving through the area throughout the day tomorrow as well. But otherwise, we'll see mostly cloudy skies, and then things will start to clear up as we get into our weekend. So looking at the 24-hour weather risk chart, a lot of risk for weather as we go throughout the day today. Are expecting things to warm up with that southerly wind, and we'll be in the warm sector initially of this system, expecting a high around 64 degrees. We do expect to have a wind advisory probably coming out in the next few hours, as we do expect those wind gusts to increase. We're seeing gusts up to 30 to 35 knots as we get into the afternoon, and sticking around until after midnight and calming down a little bit temporarily, and then we'll probably see another windy day tomorrow. Again, that chance of precip starts to increase as we get into the late afternoon and the early evening hours, and expecting to start to taper off as we get into the 4 o'clock Friday local time. We will have those lower ceilings with these rain showers as we go throughout the day and evening, and additionally we'll have that chance of lightning in the area as we go into the evening with some of those more moderate to heavy rain showers. Expecting that threat to be mainly between 19 local and 2 a.m. As we go throughout the evening. Next couple days for Friday, again, we had a slight chance of a lingering shower in the area or passing through during the day. Another breezy to windy day as we go throughout the day on Friday, mostly cloudy with a high of 62. We do have that colored risk for winds, so we could see a wind advisory as we go into our Friday. Friday evening, we'll see things clear up a bit, partly cloudy. Do have a chance of seeing clear skies temporarily, and those breezy conditions will start to diminish as we go through the evening, becoming slightly breezy by sunrise on Saturday with a low of 36. As we get into Saturday, should be a fairly nice and seasonable day with partly cloudy conditions, a slight breeze, and a high about average for this time of year, around 55, but green for weather risk across the board for Saturday. That will wrap up our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Have a nice day.